Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers. Today we're going to be discussing a lot of the phishing attempts that have been going along. And you may have got an email that looks something like this, and it's asking you to confirm your details. Now, one of the things that it's actually going to show you when it says reconfirm, the URL that it's taking you is a scam URL. And basically what they're doing is that they're just phishing to get you to re-enter your email and your password. And once they do that, they're into your email, they're into your Office 365. So whatever you do, you can don't click the link. And you can see here we actually received 4 of the same email within a 2-hour period. We've also got some other variations. It says Office 365, and it's just asking you to confirm the password. However, if you go to the URL and don't click on it, you're going to see it's not taking you to Office 365. So there's a lot of these things going out, and we've had a number of our customers phone us after they've clicked it. Well, that's a bit too late. We now have to do the work to get them back into order. So the best thing to do if you get those emails, mark it as spam, delete the email. Whatever you do, do not click on it. Microsoft are not going to send you an email. So whether you get an email from Office 365 or Microsoft, don't click on the link. Do not click on the link. Report it as spam and then delete it. If you've got any questions, give us a call, 281-647-9977.